Hello guys,
Hello guys.
welcome to our channel.
Welcome
Today
to our channel. Today, gonna show you how to make a computer.
so let's do it. What do we have here?
I was holding this.
This?
Yeah.
Do you know what is this? This is a GPU, a graphic card.
Yeah. And
Yeah, let's see.
first we have to start with that.
Let's see. This is a graphic card, yes?
We
From
got to start.
Gigabyte, yes. It's a RX 7800 XT, 16 gig of RAM. Yes, we're gonna leave it here for a second. And we have 2 terabytes 4.0 NVMe M.2 SSD from Crucial. We have a CPU Ryzen 5 7600 normal one without X. I'll put it here. We got 32 gig of RAM, 6000 megahertz, 2 slots from Corsair. We got a B650M gaming from Gigabyte XAX. We got Peerless Assassin 120 AC White ARGB CPU cooler. We got a case HGS Hellcat. It's like 30 quid. It's very cheap, very nice, white design. I liked it very much and I wanted to try it. And we have the power supply. Can you pass power supply to Daddy? That's that box there.
This one?
No,
Oh
that.
yeah.
That.
One.
Yeah, come on. That's heavy, yes?
It's like it's like this, but be careful.
Okay. Thank you very much. And we have a power supply that's from Corsair as well. It's 160, 860 watt power supply. And no, I don't need this. You can put back there. So I'm gonna just take it out.
This one.
Yes, we don't need that. Just leave everything there. I'm gonna tell you if I need something. Okay.
We're going to use this to cable it on here.
Yes, now we need to do something else. And we need to show how to build things. To see, we need to open this.
We need a screw.
We need a screwdriver, yes.
For me.
Yeah, unfortunately I forgot the screwdriver. I got everything. Now we're gonna mount the motherboard. And
Together.
yes, together.
With me and you. Now let's do these now.
Help me, please. Yes. What do we have here? This is the motherboard. And we have, look, this is called DDR4. This is memory RAM, okay? And we need, let's show closer to the camera. Okay, I'm gonna show you first. Oh, look, we have some peeling to do. To take the peeling off.
Yeah.
Don't touch that, only the peeling. Look here. Take. Hold on. The other side doesn't have. So when we put, look here. These are the two slots we put the memory in. Look, take. I show you one first, then you do the second. Okay. I show you first. You put it. Make sure it's here, and then you press with and on both sides.
Like this.
Wait. Always make sure we match this pin with that pin there. So it's gonna click. Yes. Now it's your turn. Let's peel this off. Okay. Make sure it's in the right position. Now press. I'll help you. Yes. Click. Well done. Next step. Now processor. You see this little thing here? We need to press it like this. Like that. And you open. Yes, you lift that. Okay, don't touch anything, don't put fingers. We don't need to put fingers anywhere. Alright? Now we're gonna take the processor out.
Yes, but not don't.
Look, this is the processor. We have a sticker, we're gonna stick it on the case after we finish the build, okay?
Okay.
This is the processor we're using. Wait. You have to hold it like this. Very careful because it's heavy, yes? And you have to find two corners on the CPU. You see it has this on the this and this. This two needs to match with this and that. It usually goes with the writing like this in the motherboard, okay? Slowly. Put it there slowly. Don't drop it. Slowly. Slowly. Not like this. We can damage it. Oh my god. I already damaged the motherboard. Here you are, this is the final build. Let's see how it looks at the end. Let's have a look inside. first.